In this practice, we have a 24-volt DC power source, we have a doorbell, and we have a push switch. These devices have a stable position. They change status when we press them, but only for as long as we keep them pressed. When we release the push switch, a spring inside it puts it back into its rest position. Push switches can either be normally open or normally closed, depending on what they do before they are pressed. So in this case, when we press the push switch, the doorbell will ring.